Hi guys, for over a century I have lived in secrets, but now I have come and I get to know about the new AdSense policies. And the problem is that this is my blogger site and this is my post. These are my posts, and you might get the emails from the AdSense account that ad service limit placed on your AdSense account. So you no need to panic. You don't have to, because they just limit your ads. And but if you see your blog, that is this one, here the ads used to be appear, but now no ads appearing because of my ads has been just limited. you know Number of ads you can show have been limited. This notification you have policy centers, why did they do that? If you reach that policy center, because you might have break their policy, it is just because of ad servicing has been limited. Invalid traffic concern. Google AdSense has introduced its new traffic tool who can track your traffic, where it is invalid or just valid or just from search console. So you can see the new tools have just optimizations of these. Number of ads you can show has been limited. Details. Ad servings on your account is currently being limited due to invalid traffic concern. We will automatically review and update the traffic monitoring. Okay, so you don't need to panic as much you can. You just wait. You just, why did I do that? Because they think this email hello recently identified my traffic. And why this happens? Invalid traffic means, or just, your traffic site behavior. There is a policy center says you, the owner of the website, cannot click his or her own ads, because they want to prevent their advertisers from these kind of malicious persons or just black hats hackers. And it might cause of ad implementation on your site. If you might have placed ad wrongly to your website or HTML, so it also affects your content of your website. And that's why Google's AdSense just limits your ad. So you don't need to worry about this. It will take a few days, just nearly about 5 to 6 days, and your website will again showing ads to your websites. And that's it. And thank you for watching. uh, another thing I forgot. uh, okay, that's it. You just need to share your website to the social medias and just write a content who is really belongs to you, no copy. So as you can get more traffic, on the basis of your traffic they will continue showing your ads on your website, and your revenue will increase, obviously. And that's it. Thank you for watching.